I'm so excited to present to you a stunning executive detached home that sits in the heart of this tight-knit community. Despite its central location, the village of Llanedi feels like a countryside haven with its friendly and welcoming community. Now let's talk about this beautiful home. Located just minutes off junction 49 on the M4 on Ebenezer Road, it offers an amazing blend of rural tranquility and accessibility. The detached double garage, complete with stairs leading to an upper floor, opens up lots of possibilities. I just love the stonework and the gated access with plenty of parking. The heart of any home is the kitchen and dining room. It's a great entertainment space and it's equipped with an Aga cooker and Smeg hob. The kitchen connects to the sunroom, offering a delightful view of the rear garden and a perfect reading room. The rest of the house doesn't disappoint either, with 4 double bedrooms, each with built-in wardrobes, and the master bedroom having its own ensuite shower room, as well as the family bathroom. There's also an impressive landing area that could easily be transformed into a 5th bedroom. With no upward chain, this executive detached home in Llanedi is the opportunity to become part of a warm and welcoming community. If you're ready to embrace countryside living without compromising on convenience, this could be your dream home. Contact me today for more information or to schedule a viewing. See you soon.